Chromecast not working the way it should? A factory reset can quickly fix setup, connection, or performance issues and get the device back to normal. In this video, I will show you how to factory reset Chromecast using two simple methods. To reset Chromecast directly from the device, start by making sure it is plugged into the TV and connected to power. Now look at the Chromecast and find the small reset button next to the LED light. Press and hold this button. While holding it, you will see the LED light flicker and change colors. Keep holding until the reset begins. After some time, the LED light will stop changing and turn solid white. When the light stays solid white, the factory reset is complete. If you want to reset Chromecast using the Google Home app, first make sure the device is plugged into the TV. Open the Google Home app on your phone or tablet and select your Chromecast from the list of devices. After selecting it, open the device settings. From there, tap on the three-dot menu and choose the factory reset option. Confirm the reset when asked and then wait while the Chromecast restarts and completes the reset process. If you face issues during the reset process, there are a few simple things you can try. If the reset button does not respond, check that the Chromecast is properly plugged into the TV and power before trying again. If the LED light is not blinking or changing colors, keep holding the reset button until the light behavior changes. If the Chromecast does not show up in the Google Home app, make sure the device is powered on. If the factory reset option is not visible, confirm that you are inside the correct device settings. And if the reset seems to be taking too long, give it some time, as the process can take a few minutes to finish. That's it for this video on how to factory reset Chromecast using both the device button and the Google Home app. I hope this guide helped you reset your Chromecast and get it working properly again. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and useful tech guides. If you have any questions or if one of these reset methods worked for you, feel free to share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.